Imagine waking up every morning with a sharp pain in your lower back, or a dull ache in your neck, or a throbbing headache. Imagine going through your day with a constant discomfort, or a nagging soreness, or a burning sensation. Imagine feeling like your body is betraying you, or your mind is overwhelmed, or your spirit is broken. This is the reality for many people who live with chronic pain, a condition that affects more than 1.5 billion people worldwide. Chronic pain is defined as pain that lasts for more than 3 months or beyond the normal healing time of an injury or illness. Causes. Chronic pain can have many causes, such as arthritis, fibromyalgia, migraine, cancer, nerve damage, or trauma. Chronic pain can also have many consequences, such as reduced mobility, impaired function, decreased productivity, increased stress, anxiety, depression, and reduced quality of life. Chronic pain can be a vicious cycle where pain leads to more pain, and more pain leads to more suffering. But what if there was a way to break this cycle? What if there was a way to manage your pain, not just with pills, injections, or surgeries, but with your own power, your own potential, your own healing from within? Well, there is, and it's called yoga. Yoga. Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India more than 5,000 years ago. Yoga means union in Sanskrit, and it refers to the integration of body, mind, and spirit. Yoga is not just a form of exercise, or a way to relax, or a spiritual path. Yoga is a therapy, a science, and a philosophy that can help you heal yourself, holistically and naturally. Yoga can help you reduce your pain, improve your function, and enhance your well-being. Yoga can help you transform your pain into peace, joy, and freedom. But how does yoga work? How can it help you manage your chronic pain? Well, yoga works on multiple levels: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. Let's take a look at each one. Number 1. Physical level. Yoga involves a series of postures that stretch and strengthen your muscles, joints, and connective tissues. These postures help to improve your posture, alignment, and balance, which can reduce the strain and pressure on your painful areas. They also help to increase your blood circulation, oxygen delivery, and nutrient supply, which can promote healing and reduce inflammation. Some postures also stimulate specific organs, glands, and nerves, which can regulate your hormonal, immune, and nervous systems. By practicing yoga regularly, you can improve your physical health and function and prevent further injury or damage. Number 2. Mental level. Yoga also involves breathing exercises or pranayama that control and regulate your breath. Your breath is the link between your body and your mind, and it reflects your state of being. When you're in pain, you may breathe shallowly, rapidly, or irregularly, which can increase your stress, anxiety, and tension. By breathing deeply, slowly, and rhythmically, you can calm your mind, relax your body, and reduce your pain perception. You can also use your breath to focus your attention, clear your thoughts, and enhance your concentration. By practicing yoga regularly, you can improve your mental clarity and awareness and cultivate a positive mindset. Number 3. Emotional level. Yoga also involves meditation, or dhyana, that trains and transforms your mind. Meditation is the practice of observing your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judging, reacting, or attaching to them. Meditation helps you to develop mindfulness, or the ability to be present and aware of what is happening in the moment, without being distracted by the past or the future. Mindfulness helps you to accept your pain, rather than resist, avoid, or deny it. It also helps you to cope with your emotions, such as anger, sadness, or fear, that may arise from your pain. By practicing yoga regularly, you can improve your emotional stability and resilience and foster a sense of peace and happiness. Number 4. Spiritual level. Yoga also involves philosophy, or darshana, that guides and inspires your life. Yoga is based on the ancient wisdom of the Vedas, the sacred texts of Hinduism, that teach the principles and practices of living in harmony with yourself, others, and the universe. Yoga helps you to discover and connect with your true self, or Atman, which is the source of your being, the essence of your existence, and the core of your consciousness. Yoga also helps you to realize and experience your oneness with the Supreme Self, or Brahman, which is the ultimate reality, the highest truth, and absolute bliss. By practicing yoga regularly, you can improve your spiritual growth and development and attain a state of liberation, or moksha, from your pain and suffering. As you can see, yoga is a comprehensive and holistic approach to healing that can help you manage your chronic pain on all levels of your being. But how do you start? How do you practice yoga for chronic pain? Well, there are many types, styles, and forms of yoga, and each one has its own benefits and challenges. Some are more suitable for beginners, while others are more advanced. Some are more gentle and relaxing, while others are more vigorous and stimulating. Some are more focused on the physical aspect, while others are more focused on the mental, emotional, or spiritual aspect. The key is to find the type of yoga that works best for you, your condition, and your goals. Hatha Yoga. One of the most popular and widely practiced types of yoga is Hatha Yoga, which is the foundation of all other types of yoga. Hatha Yoga is the yoga of balance, which aims to harmonize the sun and moon energies, the masculine and feminine aspects, and the body and mind aspects of your being. Hatha Yoga consists of 6 main components: asana, pranayama, mudra, bandha, shatkarma, and meditation. Asana is the practice of physical postures, which we have already discussed. Pranayama is the practice of breathing exercises, which we have also discussed. Mudra is the practice of gestures, such as hand positions, that direct and channel your energy flow. Bandha is the practice of locks, such as contracting certain muscles, that control and regulate your energy flow. Shatkarma is the practice of cleansing techniques, such as nasal irrigation, that purify your body and mind. Meditation is the practice of mental exercises, such as visualization, that calm and focus your mind. Hatha Yoga is a great type of yoga for chronic pain management, as it can help you improve your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual health and well-being. Some kinds of yoga may not be suitable for people with chronic pain. Number 1. Vinyasa Yoga. Vinyasa Yoga is a dynamic and flowing style of yoga that links your breath with your movement, creating a continuous sequence of postures. Vinyasa Yoga can help you increase your strength, endurance, and flexibility, as well as your cardiovascular and respiratory health. However, Vinyasa Yoga can also be challenging, intense, and fast-paced, which may not be suitable for people with chronic pain conditions that limit their mobility or stamina. Number 2. Iyengar Yoga. Iyengar Yoga is a precise and meticulous style of yoga that focuses on the alignment, detail, and accuracy of each posture. Iyengar Yoga can help you improve your posture, balance, and stability, as well as your joint and muscle health. However, Iyengar Yoga can also be demanding, rigorous, and slow-paced, which may not be suitable for people with chronic pain conditions that require more movement or variety. Number 3. Bikram Yoga. Bikram Yoga is a hot and humid style of yoga that consists of 26 postures and 2 breathing exercises performed in a room heated to 105 degrees Fahrenheit and 40% humidity. Bikram Yoga can help you detoxify your body, improve your circulation, and enhance your flexibility. However, Bikram Yoga can also be dehydrating, exhausting, and repetitive, which may not be suitable for people with chronic pain conditions that affect their hydration, energy, or motivation. Number 4. Restorative Yoga. Restorative yoga is a gentle and relaxing style of yoga that uses props, such as bolsters, blankets, and blocks, to support your body in passive and comfortable postures. Restorative yoga can help you release tension, reduce stress, and promote healing. However, restorative yoga can also be boring, unchallenging, and inactive, which may not be suitable for people with chronic pain conditions that need more stimulation, challenge, or activity. So, how do you choose the best style of yoga for you? Well, there is no one right answer, as different styles of yoga may suit different people, depending on their preferences, needs, and goals. The best way to find out is to try them out, and see how they make you feel. You can also consult your doctor, physiotherapist, or yoga teacher, who can advise you on the most appropriate and safe yoga practice for your condition. Once you have chosen the style of yoga that suits you best, you can start practicing it regularly, preferably every day, or at least 3 times a week. You can practice yoga at home, or at a studio, or at a park, or anywhere you feel comfortable and safe. You can practice yoga alone, or with a friend, or with a group, or with a teacher, or with an online instructor. You can practice yoga for 10 minutes, or 30 minutes, or an hour, or more, depending on your availability and capacity. You can practice yoga in the morning, or in the afternoon, or in the evening, or any time you feel like it. The important thing is to practice yoga consistently and with intention, attention, and compassion. Before you start practicing yoga, there are some things you should keep in mind to make sure you have a safe and enjoyable experience. Here are some tips and guidelines for practicing yoga for chronic pain. Consult your doctor. Listen to your body. Be mindful. Be flexible. By following these tips and guidelines, you can practice yoga for chronic pain management safely, effectively, and happily. As we near the end, picture a life where chronic pain no longer dictates your every move. Through the practice of yoga, this vision becomes not just a dream, but a tangible reality. Whether you find solace in the energizing flow of vinyasa or the restorative calm of gentle practices, there's a yoga style perfectly suited to your needs. But our journey doesn't end here, it's just beginning. Like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement not only supports us, but also creates a vibrant community where we can support each other on this transformative path. Together, let's not just manage pain, but thrive. Thank you for being a part of this empowering journey with us.